case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1988, the Louisiana Supreme Court heard the case of Murray v. Ramada Inns, Inc., focusing on the concept of assumption of risk in negligence cases. The plaintiff in this case had suffered injuries after diving into the shallow end of a swimming pool. The defense argued that since the plaintiff knew about and accepted the risk of injury, they should be barred from seeking damages. However, the court found that assumption of risk did not act as a complete barrier to recovery in Louisiana. Instead, it held that comparative negligence principles should be applied. This meant that the plaintiff could still recover damages for injuries caused by someone else's negligence, but their own portion of fault would reduce the amount they could recover. The court had to determine if assumption of risk should only reduce recovery or if it should completely bar it. Factors considered included the absence of a lifeguard at the time of the accident, the plaintiff's knowledge of the risk, and the defendant's duty to ensure a safe pool. Ultimately, the court clarified that assumption of risk should not operate as a total bar to recovery, except in cases where the plaintiff expressly agreed to release the defendant from liability or placed themselves in situations involving unpreventable risks. The Louisiana Supreme Court held that assumption of risk was no longer a complete bar to the plaintiff's recovery in tort law, and that comparative fault principles should apply instead. This allowed the plaintiff to recover damages, but with a reduction based on their comparative fault. This decision did not invalidate previous sports spectator and amusement park cases, but highlighted the defendant's lack of breach in duty in those cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.